subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi's upcoming smartphone called Redmi 8 has spotted on China Telecom's portal site that reveals almost all specifications and design of the smartphone. According to the leak renders, the Redmi 8 will have a notch on the top center of the display that carries an selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to be made of plastic and it carries dual camera setup which is aligned vertically at the top center, including an LED flash. The smartphone will also feature an rear mounted fingerprint sensor which is located below the camera setup. The volume rockers along with the power button are seen on the right edge, while on the left appears to have an ejectable SIM card slot. The bottom of the phone will house a 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, speaker grill and a USB Type-C port, while the top is seen with something that appears to be an IR blaster, including an secondary microphone. Talking about the specifications, according to the leaks surfaced online suggest, the Redmi 8 will feature a 6.21-inch display with HD+ resolution. Under the hood, the phone is said to come powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 439 chipset, which is similar to what we have seen on last year's Redmi 7 and recently launched Redmi 8A smartphone. The listing suggests the phone will have a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of inbuilt storage, and there might also be more storage variants that we'll come to know at the time of its launch. In terms of camera, the Redmi 8 comes equipped by dual camera setup on the rear that will feature an 12MP primary camera plus 2MP secondary camera, and on the front it will have an 8MP camera for selfies. The handset will come out of the box with Android 9 Pie OS based on the top of MIUI 10, and it will be backed by a large 5000 mAh of battery which we expect could support fast charging. The physical dimension of the phone will measure at 156.33 by 75.40 by 9.40mm and will weigh around 188 grams. Now talking about the pricing, the Redmi 8 was spotted on China Telecom listing with a price tag for 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant at 1599 Chinese yuan, which roughly translates to 16,000 Indian rupees or $224, and it is listed to come in red, green, blue and grey color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Redmi 8 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.